Good day, guys. It's been a while without posting any video. Today I'm back again with another video. I've been busy and I didn't have time to make videos. So for today's video, we're gonna be talking about CRT. I teach CRT model, but then I'm basically exposing what I use, right? And shout out to Ali Khan for his teachings and also ICT for his teachings. Shout out to those guys. If you want to learn more, you should check out Ali Khan and ICT himself, right? So basically what is happening here is basically using the dealing range to anticipate where price is going to go next, right? So using the dealing range and also using the CRT model to basically find best entries, right? So let me change this first. As you can see, this is our CRT low, right? So this is our CRT low, this is our CRT high, right? And this is the candlestick that was responsible for taking out all the buy side liquidity that was resting above here, and also the dealing range high, creating a new dealing range from this high and this low. What you can see first is this pool of liquidity, this bunch of lows that are resting down here, which we can use as our target, right? So we're gonna use our Fibonacci retracement to basically draw our range. So currently, as you can see, price is still above 50% of price. Hasn't reached equilibrium of price. So basically, what we are looking for is basically what anticipating, right? So this is not an educational video. So what I'm anticipating is for price to basically sweep down, close below here, right? After closing, come down, close below the 50%, give us those retracement back into the premium, right? Give us those retracement back into the premium. Remember, we in the premium we look for selling opportunities. So I'm looking for price to come back to basically the premium and give us those selling opportunities to basically sweep all these liquidities, these lows that have been generated down right about here, and also potentially price will come back to the daily range low, right? But then overall, my anticipation is for price to come back into this low right about here, which is below our 25%, which is our extreme discount, which is our extreme discount. So yeah, so that's what I'm anticipating. So basically, as I said, this is not an educational video, but basically I'm just flowing with the market, right? So you guys are gonna be receiving videos like this once in a while. So yeah, so basically I'll show you the after setup when this setup is complete.
So guys, the setup is almost complete. Our target, overall target, has been hit, as you can see from here. So this is where price was, as you can see from here, right? So what we expected was the price to go down and go until it sweeps this liquidity, right? So the DR low was not our overall target, right? So remember, I'm anticipating price to go here, but it's not our take profit. Our take profit was below this liquidity down here, and we actually got our entry right about here on a 5 minutes time frame. And we also got another entry on this move to the downside right about here, so to take out this liquidity down here. So yeah guys, so this is basically the trade using CRT model and combined together with the dealing range high. Thank you.